In 2025, scanning badges feels ancient. There's a smarter way. Event day check-ins are supposed to be the easy part, but too often, they're a total mess. Time to change that. Want to see how facial recognition is changing the game? Check out our full guide, Your Face is How You Get In, introducing vFairs facial recognition for event check-ins. It's packed with benefits, real examples, and setup tips. Links in the description. Let's look at how facial recognition transforms check-in and how you can set it up for your next event. Why it works. Faster, contactless, more secure. Facial recognition lets attendees check in within seconds. No scanning QR codes, no name badge digging, no staff bottlenecks. It's quick, touch-free, and totally seamless. How it works, in simple terms. Before the event, attendees upload a photo. When they arrive, cameras at check-in instantly match their face and check them in. No lines, no hassle. Setup guide for organizers. Step 1. Enable facial recognition in your event platform. With platforms like vFairs, you can toggle on facial recognition for specific events or sessions. No need for complex tech. Step 2. Collect attendee photos securely. During registration, invite attendees to upload a clear headshot. Make it optional, but highlight the fast-track benefit. Step 3. Set up facial recognition hardware on site. You'll need tablets or facial scan kiosks near your entry points. The system does the match, your staff just monitors. Step 4. Ensure privacy compliance. Let attendees know their data is encrypted and used only for event entry. This builds trust and supports compliance with privacy laws. Step 5. Monitor and optimize in real time. Check analytics on scan times, successful matches, and attendee feedback. Use this insight to improve the experience year over year. Facial recognition doesn't just modernize check-in, it completely redefines it. Faster lines, safer entry, and a smoother start to your event. For a full walkthrough, success stories, and best practices, explore our guide. Your Face is How You Get In. You'll find everything you need to get started with confidence. Links in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart event tech tips.